Yo, what is up, everybody? Bradley Walker here.
Jared, aka 7.
In today's video, we're going to be doing a trade recap for you guys. We're going to be breaking down an Australian versus US dollar trade that I had called out to my team. I'm going to show you guys that we called it out in our Discord community, which you can definitely get access to. 7-day free trial in the description of this video. Definitely get signed up for that. And if you're just getting started trading Forex, we also have a free Forex beginners course that we are giving away for absolutely nothing. Typically, this is $197 value. We're giving it away to you for free. So definitely sign up for that and get access to that before getting into our Discord to start copying our trades and learning from us on a daily basis. We're going to break down this Australian trade that we called out to our team. Turned out pretty well so far. Has gone to our second TP, our 5% reward target level thus far. Looking for it to continue down to the third take profit 10% reward target. Going to break the trade down, give you an insight on why I took this trade, kind of what confirmation I had onto why I called this out to the team, and just overall overview everything for you guys. As always, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell to stay up to date with our videos. We're dropping 7 days a week, so definitely stay up to date on our content and our videos. Follow us on all social media platforms and stay tuned because we have a lot more stuff coming out.
Definitely. I am going to do a breakdown on Great Britain Pound USD. Also show you guys the TP2 that was hit on the trade Brad is going to show the recap for first, and then kind of show you the profit as well for the Great Britain Pound USD trade. Actually, 2 entries that I had with it on slightly different dates. So we're going to hop over and show this first trade.
All right, guys, so hopping into the Discord community, you can see here on the 13th of this month, called out this sell on the Australian versus US dollar at entry price of 7480. We had 2%, 5%, and 10% reward targets on this, as well as a 1, 2, and 3% risk target. So we're going to hop over here to MetaTrader 4, show you guys what we were looking for to enter this trade and why we called it out, and the additional confirmation that we saw. All right, guys, so looking at this trade, our entry price was right around here. So what we were looking for on the 15-minute chart is a break of this 50 EMA on the lower time frames, and then looking for further confirmation and breaks on the higher time frames. So we entered in right around here. We actually came down and broke below this 50 EMA, consolidated a little bit here at this overall zone right here, which you will see continues towards the right-hand side, and then broke down at that point. Came through, broke 50 EMA, retested up here, came back down, retested, pushed back up, retested the top of this range, and then came up and actually used that support zone or that resistance zone as a support to the downsides. This is why we call these SIR zones, because support and resistance can be interchangeable, but you can see that it respected this, so it gave us pretty nice confirmation. Following that, you could see very strong bearish candle, and then at 7430 we had our 5% target. Within a half hour, maybe 45 minutes of entering this trade, had already hit the 5% reward target. And if you go over here a little bit further, we're going to switch over to that 4-hour chart, clear off this little circle here. All right, so switching over to the 4-hour chart, you can see here previous daily low, our 5% reward target. 5% reward target was at the previous lows right here where we had this double bottom, came down and touched it very nicely. And then our 10% reward target is going to be down here at 7380 for 100 pips. So what we're looking for in anticipation that this continues down is a break. You can see we had this zone right here that started to form, and it held this level before pushing back up, came down, retested right around here, came back up, and now it is back down at this overall zone. So for in continuation of this, what we are looking for is a break of this zone around 74105, right around there at the previous daily low point. If we break there, we can definitely see this currency pair continue towards the downside. Actually, let's go back to the 4-hour. We're actually going to scroll over here and show you. All right, so you can see our 10% reward target is going to be right here. And the reason for that is this is where it respected and actually started to break up on the upside. So we're looking for this. This was the previous range a little bit right here, kind of consolidated here a little bit before breaking back up, came back down and retested. So we're looking for this little overall zone, which I can actually draw so you guys can actually see a more clear visual right around here. Looking for it to come back down and retest into this overall zone. So if we actually zoom out, it's kind of hard to see, but you can see 10% reward target is going to be right here. You can see the little zone that was formed right here. That's what we're looking for in anticipation of this to continue down. Now, a lot of our students had already locked in their profits, gotten out of this trade, and rightfully so, because we hit that 5% reward target, formed the overall low, and we called this trade out on the 13th. We're now sitting at the 16th, so a lot of members already locked this in. I know 7 had already locked this in. I'm personally writing out the TP3 because I'm pretty confident it is going to break this previous daily low and continue down to the 10% target. But a lot of members already locked this in. Like I said, hit the overall take profit zone, 50% reward target, 50 pips within 45 minutes or so. So definitely want to get access to our Discord community. A lot of stuff, a lot of value is in here, calling out our exact trades that you can duplicate and get money and results from. Going to pass it over to Seven, and he's going to break down a trade that he called out to the team as well.
Hey, baby, are you there? Over.
Here, over. Roger, Dodger.
Baby, can you please get me a water? Over.
All right, guys, plugging it into my phone right now, my computer. Going to share MetaTrader 5 off of here and show you guys some of the TPs we hit. I hit the New Zealand USD and AUD USD that you saw in Discord earlier. So we're going to share my screen and show you little recap of Great Britain Pound USD trade that I had an entry on the 12th of July and 14th, I believe, that both hit TP. One actually hit TP today on the 16th. So TP2 is where I generally place all of my take profits. Going to show you that, but I'm going to first hop over to Discord and show you where I actually place these trades to show that proof that we did place it in our Discord, like Brad showed earlier with his trades. So I'm going to show you guys that real quick. All right, guys, this is the first entry, Great Britain Pound USD on the 12th, hitting all these TPs. Then down here, you can see Brad's trades. Both of these hit TPs very quickly. Both TP2s are at 5% target. And then on the 14th, I called the Great Britain Pound again. So I'm going to show you guys that, show you the profits first on those.
You're fucking crazy if you think this man stands a chance. His head is too small.
All right, guys, you guys can see that I go to custom the 13th to the 16th. This goes back. This is just from the last 3 days right here. Actually hit 9 TPs in the last 3 days. It's been pretty epic week. You can see Brad's 2 trades at the top there. All right, you can see New Zealand USD hit the TP2, AUD USD hit TP2 as well, locked those in. Then this was also a gold trade that I called that day that hit TP2 pretty quickly. So that's those trades, Brad's trades from earlier. But then these are the Great Britain Pound USD trades that I'm going to do a little kind of breakdown or overview on. This one I actually didn't let hit TP, and you're going to see how that was actually a good move. The TP I'll show you where the TP for this trade was going to be, and ended up deciding to get out of this trade, and it was a pretty good zone of why. So I closed it still for profit. And then today on the 16th, you can see this second entry hit TP2 right here. So now I'm going to go over to the chart. All right, guys, going to mainly focus on zoomed in here from the 9th forward. You see the first entry is right here, was a sell, Great Britain Pound USD, sold right here, got out here, kind of the bottom of this zone. This is the 4-hour chart. Was a great exit point. The TP originally for this was supposed to be 7820. So down here, it actually didn't end up touching it. So it was actually good that I got out. I'd still be in that trade right now. So that was why I was saying it was a good exit point. And then came up, kind of got back to the top of this range that's kind of been ranging for about 2-3 weeks. So kind of the top of this range right here, the bottom of the range is kind of around here. It's obviously broken down earlier, a little bit below that, but got back in at the top, hit another sell, pretty good entry, and then insane exit point right here, right
the
at the perfect
bottom of the way.
And that hit perfectly on TP2. So yeah, those are the 2 trades. Showed you the profits, showed you the entries. So yep, first sell, second sell, got out right at the bottom here. I don't even understand that. It doesn't even look like it, even on the 1-hour chart. Okay, you can see 1 hour, it broke a little bit below this. On the 4-hour, you couldn't really see it. So zooming out, this shows the 2 trades on the 1 hour. So yeah, kind of got out at a perfect bottom of this wick. And yeah, those are the trades.
Look, I want to be honest. My mom was a Forex trader. My grandma was a Forex trader. My grandpa from my grand-grandpa from my grandma, which basically is like my Look, my ancestors basically invented Forex.
Yeah, guys. So as you can see, these are some of the trades that we are calling out to our team on a day-to-day basis. We're going to keep these chart analysis and these trade recap videos pretty mild because we want to keep all of the good stuff for our team on the inside. So you got to get access to our community. That way you can hop on live trading sessions with us and we show you the process of us taking these trades in real time. So definitely want to get access to that. Sign up for our free course. Link is in the description. Definitely start trading in the foreign exchange markets. Huge opportunity, the largest financial market in the world. And we're giving you access to learn how to start trading for absolutely nothing. So definitely sign up for that. Sign up to our Discord community, get 7-day free trial. And as always, guys, thanks for watching.
Peace.